episode of Stitch on Saturday. I'm Noreen from noorsknits. Today I'm going to be showing you how to seam up a finished crochet piece with slip stitch. So today I'm using my Denise hook, my interchangeable Denise hook, crochet hook. It's a 5.5 mm crochet hook, and I have a finished piece here with I used Lily Sugar and Cream cotton and turquoise, and basically I finished up the piece. I've done the Tunisian knit stitch, which I'll link below, and also the interchangeable crochet hook set. I've done a full review and I will post that below as well. So basically I have my finished piece. I'm just going to today I'm going to be showing you how to seam up a finished crochet piece or two crochet pieces together using slip stitch. So basically I have a little square here. I just did the Tunisian simple stitch throughout, and then basically all you do is you're going to fold it over so the wrong side is facing you. And if you don't want to actually use a yarn needle and you just want to continue crocheting, this is a really good technique. So basically you're going under the loops on both sides, and then you're just gonna slip stitch like that. Go under both, pull up a loop, and then pull it through the first loop on your hook. Again, just gonna do that, that, and then that, that. Again, go under both of the loops, pull up a... So the last one can be a little tricky, but basically find the two loops and then just pull through. That's it. Basically I've seamed up the side here, and the reason you want to do it on the wrong side is so that it doesn't show up on the other side. I'm just going to turn it right side out, but basically this is what the seam looks like. You can't see it on this side, so that's how you do it on the wrong side. Anyways, that was just a quick little tutorial how to do the slip stitch, how to seam using slip stitch. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you found it useful, please do share, comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.